We've been very clear on this, that the procedure allows the public hearing to take place. And in many occasions, we have tried multiple times to have the public hearing. And public hearing is a fair chance where we are able to ultimately hear the public's consent or dissent to any particular issue that is there. In all these public hearings that took place, there was violence. There was a lot of, breaking of, the pandal and, chairs and all these things. And every time the public hearing could not take place. So therefore, obviously keeping the entire process in mind, there comes a time where we tell the Government of India we can't have we can't have the public hearing anymore. We have tried multiple times. So that report has gone to Government of India. And we have said that now Government of India can decide as per whatever rules that they have, based on which they can take a decision how to move forward. So yes, we have forwarded to Government of India for their intervention, because we could not have the public hearing in a peaceful manner, which is a fact. And it's not that we did it once. It was done maybe 2, 3, 4 times, if I'm not wrong. I think 3 times. So there was no choice left with us but to forward the case to Government of India and decide as per norms and rules on what they would like to do. And we had said that we tried to have the public hearing, but we could not.